You need this. This is vanilla essential oil. So I use this with my hand lotion and like 2 drops and put it all over my body, and it smells so delicious all the time. It's like a soft, warm vanilla scent. It comes in this really big 100 milliliter bottle, therapeutic grade, and it is cruelty free. So here is what the dropper looks like. It's in an amber glass bottle with a glass dropper. You can see it even has it listed the milliliters on there. So what I like to do is use my favorite hand lotion, put a little bit on my hand, and then I'll put 1 or 2 drops on there with it and just rub it in. And the scent lasts for such a long time, and it smells so good. I get compliments with this stuff all the time. You don't even know.